Here we go. One more winner with Sri Learning. Yeah, we have Yashwant here. Yashwant, a specialist at HP, who recently cleared PMP.
Yeah.
The good part is above target in all. God, it stands at the top. So definitely good amount of input score come from him. Now, first of all, congratulations from Sri Learning and team. And again, congratulations from all the peer people who are preparing for PMP, right?
Thank you.
There we have Yashwant. That's his beautiful certificate. So what I do is I just want to show that Yashwant here. So Yashwant, how things went on for you on the preparation and some tips. It's going to help you.
Yeah. Like as I told Sri, like we both our journey started from 2018, right? Like we both met first in Jan 2018, I remember. So till like from there, we started, but like effectively from March, my effective study started from March 2020. So there, we both met in one conference, and then we told I want to go ahead with further actions. So from there, it started everything. Like especially my office and my home is 35 kilometers one side. So it used to take me daily 3-4 hours in traveling only. So by the time I come back, I used to feel exhausted. But this Corona time is an opportunity. I captured it and I exploited it.
Thanks to who are.
So I captured and I utilized. I should say, like, this is the time, I thought, let me give my best effort.
Right.
So I started, like in the beginning, I was very, not comfortable with my core concepts. So what I used to do is like, so I used to read one chapter as in plan scope management. Then I'll show, I like see, like I used to make one sheet like this. So, from the scope, for the scope management only, I used to make minimum 100 questions from 100 questions on each chapter. So by the end of 10 knowledge areas, I was done with 1,000 questions.
Right.
So there, yeah. So at least I got some grip. I can't say full grip. At least some amount of comfortable. With you told daily write the same like I have bought on whiteboard. There I used to write all the 49 processes, and then the 15 processes whatever you have told that I have taken a printout. I used to write it. So I was so comfortable in writing the 49 process and the expected output and the actual output. Apart from the input, major input I used to remember, not all the inputs, but I was very much comfortable with 15 processes, 49 processes, and this one.
So even if you ask in the sleep, you will wake up and.
Yeah, you anytime, even if it's the 4 o'clock morning, if you wake up and tell me, right, I used to write all the 49 processes. So that much comfortable I was, because as you told in the beginning, start writing the 49 process. That is very important. Even it helped me in analyzing the questions also. So he was saying, when I'm going through the flow, okay, buddy, he's coming here, manage monitor stakeholder. Okay, come on, okay, next now hit like that. So that helped me a lot.
Okay, pretty good. So how many months of preparation, intensive, towards the exam?
March, April, May. So March, April, May, three and a half months, it was extensive, because, like I used to, my wife is also working. So for me, the effective timing used to be, as I told, from 7:30 to 9:30. Then night I used to 10 I start. Then I used to study till 11, 12, 1, 2, sometimes 2:30. So because when my kids are sleeping, that is the only time I can use. Otherwise, they won't allow me to read.
Being a parent and professional, it's not easy stuff. Okay, that's great. So that's good about the reading stuff. Which book you prefer and you follow? You felt it is a good book.
First, in the beginning, I started with Head First.
Basic.
Okay, so yeah, first thing, basic. I can show that book here only. It is so. I did a great mistake buying book. This, this is here. This much big book. Okay, so since I started reading this book, I was a little bit comfortable. Okay, then I said, okay, concepts are, like I told I was reading the chapter and solving around 100 questions. There I got some initial grip. Then around 1,000 questions are solved, all the 10 knowledge areas are finished. Then I switched to, people were saying, oh, I read Rita, the videos were coming, I read Rita, I scored something. But when I started reading Rita, I didn't find that much comfortable, because it was elaborative explanation, I thought, okay, no, it's not for me.
Too much of content.
Yeah, too much of content. Then I switched to PMBOK. Okay, only PMBOK. So whenever I used to see, good thing is, like whenever I used to make a mistake, right, I used to come back to the PMBOK to reference.
Oh.
Okay, where is the section, which section I made a mistake. I just to give an example, like in the Pepcast, I made a mistake, where the activity location is being. So
Yeah.
it is an activity attribute. Like that, that correlation helped very lot for me.
Very good. Sounds good. See, I am recently getting many of them telling I like PMBOK. But sometime back, at least a year or before, many say that I don't like PMBOK. But I think the trend is changing. That's really cool. Great.
I liked really PMBOK, because it was clear. And if you see what is thing is, you have to read multiple times. The language is, it's very so like exam only. It won't, grasp you at the first reading.
Yashwant, the problem is most of the time project we do in the execution area, much work in our real life. We may not involve into the planning, we may not involve the monitoring control, and some of the terms which comes in the book, pretty new. So obviously it takes time to digest it. So
but
that's
see, with multiple readings, I'm saying no, you have to read multiple times. I mean, like not I'm saying like you read 10 times. No, you read one time, you solve the questions, make a mistake, then come back, definitely will understand.
Good. So now let's go to exam. So how was the exam, the toughness? Did you felt it's PMP?
I told Ashri, see, everybody, with the people who cleared PMP, they used to say, I got only 2 max questions, 3 max questions.
Yeah.
With the same mindset, with the same agile mindset, I went there. There is 13 to 14 max questions, Ashri. At the 192 question, I still remember 191 or 192. They gave me on the, this one network analysis question. I pissed off. Why me only? I got question from CPFF, cost plus fixed for. I never expected any question from there. Just there will be one question, but there is a max question on that for me. Like for wherever you take risk, procurement, then wherever it is possible, all knowledge areas they have given me max questions.
They found coming today. Let's target it.
And also, they bugged up me with change request. Nearly 20 to 25 questions change request.
Not only you, Ashwin. Change management is the main area. You go to the exam, they will even change management.
I'm saying any participants who are taking, guys, please go through change request. Minimum, I'm saying 20 to 25 questions.
Right.
So it will keep on coming, change request. What the project manager has to do. He has impacted an analysis, done that. So if you know the sequence, then you can answer.
Perfect. Fantastic. Good. So are you able to do within the 4 hours? You have some extra time to review questions, something?
Yeah, I mean, like, see, I would like to mention the name of lady Seema. She also cleared from She Learning. So when she cleared, I contacted her and I was in touch with her. She also gave me so many tips. So what she told is like 1 minute, 1 question. Don't waste your time. 1 minute, 1 question. Just move away. Even she told max questions also. You keep it at the end. So even what happened in the first half, right? So in the first half, as she told, I followed her instructions. 89th questions, I finished in 89th minute. So since I had so many max questions, right? Like EV calculations, this and everything. So I noted, and since I took in a Prometric Center, I noted on in a sheet. So which are,
Did they get a sheet for you there?
Yeah. I mean, like laminated sheet.
Yes, this is happening in center. If it is at home, you may not get the sheet.
Yes.
Audience will go for a proctor-based exam. You may not get the sheet. You cannot do that. Bit of center is we get a sheet there.
Yes, I got a sheet, and also used to do calculation, drawing, all the graphical analysis, everything I did there.
I believe it helped you a lot since you went to center. Imagine you are at home and you get 12 questions like this, mathematics. Where you put it out?
No, it would have been, I would have been nervous. But the good thing with the Prometric Center is it was very quiet. Okay, pin drop silent. They gave me one noise cancellation headphone. It was this much big. Okay, you can't even hear outside noise also. Only focus on your PMP questions.
True.
So and they gave me sheets. I was able to do calculations, note down everything. So it helped me.
One interesting question. Before you click the submit button, did you felt you're ready for the congratulations? Or
no, I just prayed God. Okay, I just said, please save me my 3.5 months of effort and 50,000 rupees. Please save me. I didn't have 100% confidence that I'll clear. Just somewhere hope was there, but 100% confidence. I think it is very difficult for any person to have. Because I can't even reflect the questions what I have faced now. Like that was that much intensity it will be flowing.
I heard you said about mathematics, you said about change management. Any other area you felt that a lot of drill happened?
Risk
management. They drill it down. Okay.
Yeah, risk, yeah. Okay. So mainly, basically what I faced is risk, change management and max questions.
Okay, these are the areas we had to focus more. Okay.
But not even single agile question, Sri. Not even a single agile question.
Change the pattern. By June month, I found many people taking 5, 20 questions agile. Suddenly, pattern changed. It's PMI that decide. We don't know.
No. See, I'll tell you an example analogy with PMIs. You should be a good batsman. Whether a ball comes York or leg cutter or spin or full toss, any ball in a PMI throw, you should be a good batsman to face all the balls. That is the main strategy.
Good example.
Like see, people if they go with mind, I'll face agile question, they may not get, like things may turn up.
That's true. That's true. Okay, great. That's a good example there. That's Mr. Yashwant.
And I want to mention one comedy here, like what happened, I used to see here. This, I used to write like A, B, C, D questions right here.
Sorry,
like,
I'll bring focus. Wait. I'll bring the focus back. Yeah, shop share. Yeah, please show that.
Yeah. See, like I used to write mark, right? 50 questions, 1 hour. I used to write it like that.
Very important.
So yeah, very important. 1 hour, 50 questions. I used to target like that.
So you keep a timer every time and you start.
Yes, 50 minutes. Yeah, 60 minutes, 150 questions. I need to hit it.
Because many of them, what they're doing is when they write small exams, they don't calculate the time. When they
you can see here all my scores. 1 hour. This is all 1 hour score. Okay. So exactly 1 hour I used to prepare. Within 1 hour I have to finish it.
That's good. So, great. So
what happened is,
you should have amazing confidence, right? Let me do anything.
Yeah. So the funny part with this is, my daughter used to come. What, Dad? Always you write A, B, C, D. I am better than you. I can write A to Z. She went and told my wife, my dad always write A, B, C, D. He never writes E, F, G, H.
I think it's a good joke of the day.
I used to laugh like anything. She started, always I see you write only A, B, C, D, nothing else. I am better than.
What's her age?
She's when I was taking this mock, she was February. She was UKG. Now she's first standard. But like she's saying, why you always write A, B, C, D, nothing else you write. She can't see anything right apart from A, B, C, D here.
Sounds pretty good. Great, Yashwant. Good hearing you. So I got a key factors. You worked for 3 months, and again you read head first. Then you also referred to PMBOK primarily. Yeah. You did a lot of questions to understand the concept.
Yes, I close to 3,000. I feel.
Yeah, and you evaluate every question, go back to PMBOK and read, and again come back. Yeah. And you went to central-based exam to make sure everything's safe and good there. And you got a sheets there, but again you got 12 mathematics questions. It was pretty tough there. And still you made well, and now above target in all, and you're PMP qualified.
I didn't expect it. I'll be above target in all domain. It is with you can say God's grace. Yeah.
But I had a gut feel that you'll get it because the way you prepared, you were very consistent.
But Shri, like once I faced that PMI mock, I had my confidence got a bit shaken. Like it was very. I say people, if you are to take it in the first attempt only. Don't take it in the last. It will make your confidence lose.
True. By the way, once again, congratulations to Yashwant, who did a great.
No, I'd like to thank you and Rahul for especially the moral support which you guys gave during my journey. It's it boosted my strength.
I know, Yashwant, it's needed. We have a family pressure, we have a corporate pressure. We know from where you come. So up top of that, we need to give such support. So that's the aim. We do it. And again, I feel that you have the trust on us. That's very important, right? So if I go to Sriram or Rahul, I'll get something. That trust is very important. So we want to keep it up. But again, you guys are keeping up to the mark. Whenever I give some thought, do this, and you're following it. I'm so happy. Why should you follow me, right? And when I say something, it's working. So I feel, okay, good. You're trusting at what we say. Fantastic. That's great. Cool. So with this, congratulations, and we are so happy and delighted. Now you're top 2%. Now you have to see more greater opportunities in life. Keep growing higher and higher, right?
Sure.
Great. Good wishes.
Thank you.